Right, Sunday afternoon, and we've just watched the England game, but while we was doing that, Gary was on Facebook, and I went out late last night and picked up another one. Let's show you what we've just bought in the last 24 hours. Right, as I say, we just watched England play football and they won 6-1 against Panama, but that's not the story we're going to tell you about now. In the last 24 hours, it's a Sunday afternoon now. I went out last night about 7:30, 7:45 last night, because one popped up in my local area and it cost me £25. I'll show you that one in a second. But then Gary went out this morning to pick up a hater. We'll have a look at it in a minute. And also, we've only just come back. He's picked this one up for a £5. Let's show you what he's got first. As I say, this is the Trojan, which this red one now was like that before I painted it. So as you can see, the difference that makes just by painting it, and it's transformed it. All we've got to do, as I say, he's got green wheel caps with this one, but they won't match it anymore. But we have got some spare white ones, which we're going to put on when we do that. So basically, that lawnmower there was exactly the same as that deck there. So as you can see, we've just taken a little bit of time and we've painted it now, and that's what it looks like. This one may get the same treatment, but there's only one thing wrong with this that we can see at the moment, and that is there's a bit of rust maybe gone through there. As you can see, look, and push through there on the corner there. So whether or not it's worth repairing or what, I don't know till we actually take it all apart and have a look at it. But even if it ain't worth keeping, it's got a decent cable there. The handles are in good condition. It's got a great engine on it. It's got the fuel tank and carburetor. We've got wheels on it as well. The adjusters are all there. And also the grass box at the back as well. So that was definitely worth £5. We just picked this one up, and this is a hater. It's is it a roller or is it wheels?
Roller.
Oh, it's got a rear roller, auto drive, the whole lot. It's the Harrier 48 engine, and I think we might have another cover for this. We've got to check. But this actually starts and runs, and the drive all works, doesn't it, Gary?
Yeah, first pull, height adjuster works.
Everything works on it. And how much does this cost?
25 quid.
Right, now as you see, the deck is a little bit grubby, but it's an aluminium deck, and that's going to get a strip down and a repaint. Is that right?
I might come back and it might be painted.
That's not going to happen again, is it? But as you can see, there's our little Honda lawnmower, which Mr. Stamp Mower Man noticed the other week, and there it is there, waiting for a new owner to come and pick it up. So yeah, that's turned out all right. And look at all these still, look. Still all here, look. We keep buying new ones, but Mummy's just shouted out, get them fixed. Unbelievable. Yeah, look at them weeds growing up there. Look, I've never seen them that tall before. Look.
I keep watering them.
Look at them. I'm going to have to pull them up. Look at my weeds here, look. They're nearly as tall as me, look. But they're getting to the stage now where I'm going to have to do something about them because they're overtaking the garden. But there's a lot of wildlife in there, no doubt. So it is good for something. It's putting oxygen back into the air. Right, get that one up there. This is the one that I just bought yesterday. Again, it's all there. The bloke done the same old thing what everyone else does. He said, I've brought it out from last year, went to start it, didn't want to know. And he gave up. I want to spin that round.
Didn't have a box of it.
Hey?
Didn't have a box.
Yeah, he can take the box off. So all I'm going to do is just check if we've got fuel going into the carb. I'm going to do the air filter, check the sparks if we've got spark, and we'll take it from there. I'm not even going to strip the carb down yet. I've tried pulling it, don't want to know, so let's get a bit nearer to it and have a look at it. Right, so typical of someone having a look at it, that's on the wrong way, that should be round the other way, not that it matters. It's just an indication that someone's looked at it. Hello James, you alright baby over there? Hello Grandad. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, same old symptom. Look, we've seen that before, haven't we? Full of oil. And if we look into the carb, you probably can't see it, but I can see loads of oil residue in there. So that's prompting me now to check the oil level to find out whether it's been overfilled before I do anything else. And I'm happily assured that that's not overfilled. It's on the lower level, so the chances are that it has been tipped up because it's on the lower level, and we know that we've been getting oil. So it may not have been overfilled, but it's tipped up and the oil's vented into the carb. So I'm just gonna Right, now I don't know if there's any petrol in there. There is petrol in there, but it's just covering the bottom and it's not really sucking up anything when I push petrol in. So I'm going to have to put a drop more petrol in there before I go any further. And this is the free petrol that Gary got given when he bought that other lawnmower. What one was that? You left holding the baby, Gary.
I always am.
You see them raspberries there, baby?
I'm going to go and get something to pick them.
Go on in. Right, so I don't know if it's all right. Have you smelt it?
Yeah, he only just filled it up.
Oh yeah, that smells fine. Let's put some. I'm going to put a line here because we don't know how old that petrol is that's already in there. I don't want to go too mad. Just enough that I know that it should be sucking up. Right, that's that. So if I give that a squirt now. Oh, that's going straight in there now. It can't be as simple as that, can it? Right, so that's that. So let me put the cap back on. I do like to just have a look underneath. Right, everything looks okay. There is a bit of string around the boss, but we'll sort that out afterwards. Let's put this back on the deck. Hello, Tracy. Right, let's see if this starts. Go away. Go away, baby.
Go away, dogs.
Tracy, Gary, that's unbelievable. Did you see that? All I've done is put petrol in it. How about that?
Isn't that what you're supposed to do with petrol lawnmower?
Yeah, but the chap sold it to me. He said he got petrol in it, which he did have a little drop, but it weren't enough to suck up through that tube. And all I done was take the air filter off. She could look interested.
I'm not.
If it was your lawnmower, you'd be interested.
Doubt it.
If I said to you, that lawnmower there, £25, after a bit of a clean up,
Why are you taking the eye?
it's going to be worth £70. What would you say about that?
Get it
All for the
sold.
sake of cleaning it. Get
Get
it,
it sold.
get it sold, mummy. Look, mummy, look what I've done. I've repaired it.
Clean
You
it up,
haven't though,
get
have
it sold.
Hey,
Just put petrol in it.
baby James, if I tell you, all I've done is put a bit of petrol in it, and it started first time. The bloke couldn't have even tried that. What do you reckon?
He's not
You're about as
either.
interested as your mother,
Oh, what you done to your nail?
honey.
Yeah.
George, James, this could be your future career. Oh, what's your fingers taste of?
Strawberries?
Where's he had them?
In his bottom.
Oh, he's got a nail there,
Yeah,
look.
I know.
Shall I put it off?
No, it's going to hurt. Bite it. Oh, you got a grey eyebrow.
Oh, I'll bit his nail off. How about that? That's what Grandad's do. I used to bite your nails. Up until last year. Up until last
Only
year.
last week. Yeah, I could give him a nod.
Hey, I know, come on then. Well, there you go. Well, that was an easy repair, so all I will do
And he
is...
means toenails.
What?
Ah, stinging nails.
Oh, Mummy's just got stung by the stinging nettles. How about that? It's not funny. Don't laugh. Gary's laughing. What's that about?
This is a bit.
Yeah, I know the decking. Don't tread on it, Tracy. I've got to sort it out.
Sorry, what am I supposed to do?
Well, levitate like you normally do. What are you doing? I don't want to cut the other nails, baby.
He just picked his nose.
Is that funny? He's what? Picked his nose with it? Unbelievable. Ooh. I'll go to Mummy. Go to Mummy. Go on. Go to the people. Say hello, everybody. Look.
Say hello, James.
Say hello, James.
Say hello.
James, say hello. Say hello to everybody. There's people from all over the world there looking at you now. Do you know that?
Yeah?
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 What do you reckon? Unbelievable. Yeah, baby, take him.
No, baby.
You are, baby. You're my baby girl.
Baby.
Right, okay, let's go and see what Sharon's doing quickly. All them raspberries since last year, Sharon. This is one big raspberry bush there, everybody.
She's one big raspberry.
She's one big raspberry. And that's just coming out of one little bucket. I keep meaning to replant that, but
That's everything you keep meaning to do.
I've just fixed this, Tracy, haven't I?
Yeah. What? The lawnmower?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw it start up, didn't you?
Yeah. It was immense.
Can you fix them like that, Bert?
I'll do better than that.
Oh, why?
The state of it.
Yeah.
I've only got to look at them when they start. Just like up your lawnmower being painted red. I've done that. I probably shouldn't say this, James. They haven't seen it yet, right? They haven't seen it.
Have you got him?
But no, I haven't got him, no. But the Pimps Up Riced Up lawnmower, I actually painted that yesterday, right? Don't tell anybody, they don't know what the colour is or anything. And I put it in the workshop and went inside, and when I come out about 2 hours later to check on it, just to have a look at it, it was on the deck, face down. Shut up, Sharon. She's laughing. It was all scraped along the front.
Maybe it's a sign.
No, it's not a sign, Sharon, Tracy.
Just saying.
And it bent the bracket, what holds the handles on it, bent that over as well. So you ain't going to see that in the end video, because I'm going to do that tomorrow rather. I'm going to repaint that. What? What are you doing? Thank you. What is it? Eh? It does look good, doesn't it? She's had a look at it. I can't show you though. Yeah, Gary, take him. Right, what are we going to do now?
Shout! Out.
No, you've got to do it loud. Not she, like, what are we going to do?
Shout! Out!
Sunday! Shout out Sunday.
He didn't do nothing.
Hey, he can read them out.
He can read them.
Huh?
I'm reading all them.
Right, here we go. So we're going to start off now with our little shout out Sunday. And what's happening here? I'm trying to get in. Right, you can hold the list.
I can't. I've got Papa Jams.
Right, Sharon's going to read them out, all right?
No, not all of them. Can't read your writing. This is going to end up in an argument.
Right.
Harry Mountjoy?
Harry Mountjoy, he's from Facebook.
Are you going to repeat everything I say?
No, I'm going to explain. There's somewhere I've got to explain who they are, because I know them.
Andy Cousins from Rotherham.
Yeah, hello Andy. Say hello to him. You've got to say hello to him when they're talking to him.
Hi Andy.
Yeah.
And Harry, I didn't say hello.
Christian Thomas, Shaftesbury, Dorset.
Yeah, I don't know where Shaftesbury is.
Dorset.
Exactly, just testing you.
Dorset.
Right, who's that?
HW100.
Yep, what is he then?
He's followed for years but's changed his name.
What's his name now then? You don't say HW100, you don't say who you was before. Who we got now?
The Legend 27, daughter Sienna.
The Legend
Hello,
27.
daughter Sienna.
Am I wrong, or you ain't Legends Wax, are you? I'm not too sure. That might be a
He's
different
getting his
one.
legs waxed.
Yeah, he is. That's another story. He's from where, sorry?
No, you've got to say hi to daughter Sienna.
Oh, hello Sienna, how are
I'm all
you?
sweaty.
I am all sweaty. I thought that was you.
Rude.
Go on then, carry on, baby.
Ben Rolfe.
Ben Rolfe, yeah. Oh, he watched the record player videos and he's been watching since that. God, that was a few years ago,
With
wasn't
his
it?
mate Charlie. Don't forget Charlie.
Charlie? He must have watched them as well then.
And then there's Sean Dolphin from Ickleston.
Yeah, near
Nottingham.
that's where the old...
Robin Hood.
No, Usain Bolt.
Oh.
I'm from.
Don't be stupid.
I'm joking, Sharon.
Humour, mum.
Go on then.
Oh, Stuart Turner. And
Tanner.
Your writing's terrible.
It's not, it's in capitals.
That looks like a W.
And that looks like an N,
All
doesn't
right,
it?
Stuart Tanner and wife, what's his wife's name?
Jenny
Jenny.
and the kids.
I thought that said and 8 kids.
Oh, plus one on the way. 8 kids.
8 kids, yeah. 8
Put
kids.
the telly on, love.
One
Get
on the-
Netflix.
Watch the football, get Netflix.
Netflix.
Right.
8 kids.
And they're from Camberley, down south.
Isn't that where Nan's caravan was?
No, that was Henley. Not far from there, it's down the same thing. I think it's down the M4
I
somewhere.
hear you. Oh my God.
Yeah, go on, who else we got, baby?
Gareth Gunn.
Gareth Gunn.
Bum, bum.
Yeah, all right, nice one.
Paul and Mary from Kent.
You know what I thought that said? You're right, Mara. I thought it said Poundland Mary. I thought it said Poundland. It's Paul and Mary from Kent. Nice to meet you, Paul and Mary, in the comment section. Do you know what? One thing I've noticed, we see a lot more people now in the comment section since we've been doing shout
Out Sunday.
since we're doing shout outs. What are you going to say?
You got raspberries now.
Since we're doing shout out Sunday, it's nice to see a few more people in the comment section. Go on,
Jesus
you'll lose
Christ.
your point, Sharon.
Oh, I won't.
Poundland.
Well, now we've got John from Lancashire.
Lancashire, and his son Jaden will be 5
Happy
Ah.
belated
on the
birthday.
20th of June. That's gone, isn't it?
This is Fixer Man. He
Cool.
fixes nothing, Jaden.
Fixer man? Calls me the Fixer man.
Wish he would.
Someone else said to me, oh, don't change. Oh, it's with Paul Stamp.
Oh, there's a
Mower man. He said, don't change the music, he said. Because some people have said, change the music. You know my intro music. I had that created, by the way. It's not a bit of random royalty-free music. I had that created. Anyway, nice to meet you, John, and little son Jaden there as well.
Happy birthday.
Who else we got there, baby?
Oh, Bison's joining. Lewis Plowman.
Lewis Plowman from
Blamford.
Blamford. Yeah, I don't know where that
Never
is
heard of
exactly.
that, no.
It's not Irish. That sounds Irish, doesn't it? Might be wrong. Oh, go on in.
Natalie Leighton. Leighton, sorry.
Her partner Joe brought his first mower for £1.
Better than him.
Pound?
Better than
He
him.
just bought that Trojan for £5. I thought that was a good deal.
Fiver.
Yeah, £5, Tracy.
No, not 5.
Hi, Phil Long.
Phil Long's been with us for a little bit now. Nice to see you, Phil.
I can't do that one.
Aaron Hyzak.
Sorry. Hi, Zach.
I know it, Aaron. I've seen your name plenty of times. We've had many communication.
You can see his writing.
No.
Daniel Webber.
All right, go on in.
Hello.
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 Hiya.
Who?
Hiya, I'm going. Hiya.
That's Kelvin and wife Michelle and daughter Jenny from...
Shidham.
No, Shipham.
Shipped out?
Why have you got a D
Shipdom.
there? Why have you got a D there?
Because the D's supposed to be there
In
at
Norfolk.
Shipdom.
Oh, I like Norfolk. Norfolk's
Norfolk.
lovely.
Bernard
Oh,
Matthews.
it's one I know. Simon Huntington, the trotter van.
Simon Huntington.
And Cassie the dog.
Cassie, little Cassie. And Melissa Jardine.
I thought it was Mel, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Mel.
well,
Mel,
Melissa
hi.
short for Melissa Show. Like Show is short for
It could be
Sharon.
Melanie.
Or Gr is short for Gary. Yes, that's right, Shane.
Then we got Scotty Williams.
Yep.
And the clan from Bedlington, Northumberland.
Scotty Williams, yeah, the clan. I'd like to know who the clan is, Scotty.
His family.
I know that, obviously. No, it might be. You might live in a home or something. I don't know. Do I?
You're living home, you keeper.
I live in your home, baby.
Stuart from Preston, Lancashire.
Yeah, he's got his own channel, I think, but it's Suzuki 750. Is that a GSXR 750, Stu? I don't know. Leave it in the comment section. I would imagine it would be. See, I remember Suzuki's when they was water cooled 750s. During the war, baby.
Don't do that.
And who's our last one today? Iffy and Davis and son Chris, who's been watching for ages. So there you go. There's our little shout out Sunday. I think that went down pretty well, baby. And we'll do that again on our next shout.
Out. Sunday.
That's not happening, is it?
Harry, then.
I think he said more than it, Bert, hasn't he? Anyway, we'll leave it there for now.
Says hi.
Just a little shout out Sunday. Don't forget, I don't know what's happened to the comment section in YouTube because I haven't got any comments come up now. Normally I've got a little bell comes up or little lines come up. I've looked in my settings, I don't know what it is. So if you have left a comment for me and I've not answered it, it's not my
Shame
fault.
on you.
No, I answer most
How
of them,
can people
Sharon.
get their shout outs when you're not answering?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's only happened within the last couple of days. I've been playing about with the settings. Maybe I've turned something.
It's worked its way along.
Turn something off. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that and just seen what we've done. Oh, what are you doing? Unbelievable. I've got his leg.
No, he's got raspberry on it.
Unbelievable.
Of course
So
it
don't
would
forget, next week on Shout.
Out Sunday.
Sunday, yeah, Sunday. He can't talk yet.
Oh, look at you two watching this back.
Unbelievable. Anyway, thanks very much.
plants growing out that
what,
chimney.
so what are you putting in my chin? Anyway, thanks for watching.
Little gibber
Say
and
we're
bobber.
going to see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now. Go on, you do it. I can't.
See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see
Rate,
you
comment, and
next.
slate.
Rate, comment, and slate is more like.
We prefer thumbs
No,
up.
I've taken it off, Sharon. I could still see the thumbs up and thumbs down. I've got trollers out there, you know that, so I'm not going to give them the
Yeah, I
satisfaction
must stop doing
putting
it.
the thumbs down. That wouldn't surprise me actually with you, Sharon.
And you.
Hey?
You got, oh no, you've got.
She's got hey, she's got a spot.
got a cut.
Yeah, it's your son who's sacked us with his fingernails are just bitten off.
Thank you, darling.
What's he just give you? A bogey?
Yeah, it's on you now. Yeah, he went, yeah.
Alright, I'm going to go. Thanks very much.
Granddad's few hairs. No, it's only a few.
See you.
The skin tags off.
See you in the next video. And until then, bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Gary, do it for mummy.
Bye.
Oh, lovely. Profit.